Hello YouTube. The postman today brought the 025 case that I ordered, after the other one began leaking out of the holes here that hole a coil in. And I was just looking at what they sent me, and they do not have the oil connector down here, and I wasn't expecting that, so that's another delay. But there were some interesting things that I wanted to point out. I'll go ahead and do it now, and I'll order that and try to anticipate anything else I need so that we can get on with this. But I also, when I ordered this, and I did the best I could based on the information, on their website, but from comparing the FarmerTec.net to the Hudson site, the pictures and so forth, I believe that this is the high output oiler for the 025, and it might work on others, I'm not exactly sure. My concern was the 025, so I ordered it, and that's great because I don't even have to take the connector off. And we might change that out now, but there's something else I wanted to show you. It came with, I think this is one of the worst filters, and I'm probably stepping on somebody's toes. And I care a lot about filters because I don't want lean conditions. And normally, now this is a little different, but I was shocked to find this in the fuel tank. So normally when you look in here, there is a screen, and the screen gets clogged up, and which is bad for your saw because it's got the oil in it. But on this one, it had this this insert down in there, and honestly, that means that this has to be porous, and very porous actually. Well, I'm not going to use it, but I just wanted to show you. There's no way I'd use that on my saw. I'll put that, or throw it away, one of the two. You know what we could do? Why don't we change this out? Something I'll show you, I'll point out to you. You might already know this. Do you see down in there on this side, there is an indent? And it's lined up just like this. There's an indent there. So I looked on the bottom of the well, wait a minute, this is the 250. The 025 is still apart as well because I'm having trouble getting 42mm rings for it. They keep sending me 42.5. But anyway, back to this. So I'm going to pull that out and we're going to replace it. But this is a 5mm. We've got some heavy duty ones. This is smoother than that one. Okay, so we want this indent to be on this side. That looks perfect there. And I came up just a little bit too much. That ring's supposed to be down just a little bit. Oh well. That should be up just a hair. There we go. Perfecto. Okay, well that's enough excitement for today. I'll get on it and get the other piece, you know, that we're missing and then assemble it. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. See you soon. Chainsaw Kit Guy out.